As you can see, this does not look familiar, and you're probably wondering how we got here. Is it that time already for a new car day? No, unfortunately not. This is a lease car or a slight rental car. As you can see, it's definitely not my car. Car seats are in the back though. I'll give you a walk around tour just in a sec. So we're going to have to do a story time to explain this. The car is completely different, but it does look very nice, to be honest with you. I really rate the steering wheel. It's actually different to what I would have expected. It has got like a opening. It's like a two-piece. It's really cool. There's some statistics for you there. But yes, it is a rental car. Well, it's not really a rental. It's more of a, it says it's a lease car. I've got given it for free for a reason we will explain right now. Okay, story time commences. We had to go and get the car checked out. So I booked the car in for a minor service as well as a visual inspection, which was done free of charge from Skoda. So I took the car down, expecting two things. Well, more one thing than two things. And that thing was, there was a brake leak. There was a brake hose rear, I want to say right-hand side. Or it might be left-hand side. One of the rear brake hoses had perished and was leaking. One of the only things I didn't get done on the last part was the hoses, I believe. But not only the hose was gone. Obviously, I took it in there and I told them, you need a new hose. Obviously, that's what I could see. You could see it was getting damp down there. Obviously, the level was going down in the engine bay. So I took it down there and they discovered that it wasn't just that needed to be done. There was also an ABS part that needed to be done. So with the ABS part, they had to put it on order. Now, with the order, they had to put it on order. It came to delivery day, or they thought was delivery day. And unfortunately, it had been put on back order because there was no parts anywhere in the country, and they had to order it from mainland Germany, which it took 2 weeks to get delivered. Hence the courtesy car. 2 weeks to get delivered just for the part to arrive. Because obviously they didn't want me to drive it. They deemed it unsafe. Obviously the ABS part was damaged. Not sure to the extent yet. I might actually ask to see if I can keep it. I'm not sure, just to see how damaged it was. Probably a good idea, actually. As you can see, I'm still not in my car, and it's been 3 weeks now, and I'm assuming it's going to be probably the next few days I should get it back, just before it's been 4 weeks. So that is why the content has dried up recently. I haven't had a car for almost a month at the moment. It has actually been insane how crazily long this has been. I've been hit with so much unfortunate stuff. Obviously, having an ABS part break wasn't intended. Obviously, it does happen, but, you know, the car is old. It's 11 years old. It's nearly done 150,000 miles. Parts are going to go wrong. I do understand that. I took it down to Skoda because obviously I wanted to make sure everything was fine. Obviously, everything wasn't fine, but it's down in the main dealer, so I know it's going to be an expensive fix, but at least I know it's in the right place to get the stuff done, trusted-wise. So hopefully it's not too bad. So it's a bit of a story time. A little bit of a story time, just to say, it's been a crazy ride. The car, this is a little Fabia. It's a 1 litre. I believe it's a 3-cylinder turbocharged. So fuel economy for the win. Power, non-existent. You go up like hills in the diesel, easy. Tanks it through. This thing, you got to change down gears, and it's a crazy thing. Does it get good fuel economy? It looks all right. The interior is okay. The steering wheel is one of my favourites. Just having this hole through here. The sleek looking, just the silver around here, the sleek looking buttons. Electric dashes are 50-50. I personally think this electric dash isn't very good. This tablet screen thing, it is what it is. It's a manual. We love a manual. As you can see, it's probably quite a low spec. We're missing 4 out of 6 buttons. Down here, we're missing the 2 end ones. But it looks all right. I think it looks quite sleek. I like the kind of drop down. I don't really like this. The top dash is quite big and it gets quite dusty as it seems of it. Standard. This is all big up here, but it looks quite nice. Personally, wouldn't own a Fabia just because I don't really rate the styling and they're a little bit small. I'm not sure price point, and I don't think I want to know price point. I want to stick to older cars because they are way more affordable and probably better for the economy in the long run. Economy, I mean like pollution wise, not economy like funding the economy. New cars would be better because obviously you're spending more money, but that's political stuff. We'll get on with it. I would say it's way better to run a car for longer, keep it running for longer for the environment, than it is to swap and change cars every like 3 to 5 years. Personally, I think the stats run for it as well. Most electric cars, when they're built, you have to run like a diesel car for between 7 and 10 years for it to counteract the electric car. So, you know, it's if you run that car for that long, just to get the same sort of equivalent in pollution wise to just build the car, let alone obviously you have to run the electric to it and all that stuff, it's crazy. Potentially 10 years of diesel running a car. I'm not sure the petrol equivalent, I'll have to look into that. But yeah, it's not great, really. It's not great. But that's another day, another video, I suppose. This is more of an update / rental car. It's not even a rental, it's a lease car that they've given me because it's a courtesy that they didn't know that it was going to take this long, and it shouldn't have took this long, to be honest with you. But obviously it's a part that I'm guessing doesn't get changed often, and if it does, it's got to be pre-ordered in advance. But I didn't know it was wrong, they didn't know it was wrong. Turned up, they ordered the part, took 2 weeks to get delivered. Can't help it, it was on back order, then it had to come from Germany. Had to be ordered from the, I'm guessing, the parts department in Volkswagen, somewhere up there, and had to be ordered specially, which is nice, I suppose. But I don't know the price point yet for all the work, but it's not going to be cheap because I'm assuming it's going to be a lot of labor intensive stuff. So stay tuned for that. But that's all really. This is just a small little update video. It's going to be quite short. Content as soon as my car comes back. I've got a lot of content planned, so it should be back to normal schedule, kind of once a week, pumping the content out. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to keep up to date with all the videos, and I'll catch everyone in another video sometime soon. Peace.